problem named next greater element by using array. So in this problem, we are given an array, and for every element, we need to find the next greater element on its right. If no such element exists, we have to return like -1. And this problem look like simple but has an O of n square brute force, which is not acceptable like if we go by the solution. So what we will do today, we will solve it using a stack in O of n time. So we will use stack for this array problem. So supposedly we have like we use a monotonic decreasing stack, and the stack stores the element for which we haven't found a greater element yet. As soon as we find a bigger element, we resolve all smaller element from the stack. So what we will do, we will just traverse the array from left to right, and while the stack is not empty and current element is greater than the stack top, we will pop the stack, and current element is the answer for the popped element. And then we will push the current element into the stack, and remaining stack element get as -1. So if like no bigger element, we will say like we can return at the end -1. So let's also dry run this code. Suppose if we have 4, 5 to 25 array, we clearly see that if we just have a stack empty, we don't have like any element. Then we push the first element 4 in that. We have seen that 5 is greater than 4, so we say like 5, and then we return 2. Again, the no element is greater than 5, so it will remain same. Then is 25, then is 5 and 2. We will pop 2 and 5, pop 2 and pop 5. So for the 2 element greater is 25, and 5 is greater than also 25. So at the end we have 25 as in our stack, and then the no greater element we will return -1. So our final output would be 5, 25, 25, and -1. So 2 times 25, because we pop 2 and 5 both. For both of these element, the 25 is greater than 25. So we put 25, and for 4 is 5, and for 25 there is no -1. So let's also diagram this solution. So here we can clearly see it's like 5, 25, 25, or -1.